guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. And for the first time in my history, I created a tutorial video. Yay! Yes, first time ko po kasi ito. Basically because of the quarantine, I had a lot of time to try new stuff, and one of them is creating an IG filter. If you are already following me on my Instagram, you would know that I already released one, and I really had fun doing it, so I thought of making a tutorial video to share with you guys. Because, wala lang. Parang may bagong content lang ako. Yun lang yun. Charot. Just so you know, I'm not a pro at this, and I still consider myself amateur. But I know for sure that after this video, you can create your own. Yes. We are going to create this look. We're gonna make our skin smooth because we want that baby skin, and we're gonna put minimal makeup on, blush and lipstick, and we're gonna put some face tattoo or face painting, whatever they call it, and some head decorations. Partehan lang. But first, you need to download the following. First, you need the Spark AR Studio. It's free. And the photo editor, I use Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop, and the face reference assets. And on your phone, you need the Spark AR player. So, I'll just put all the download links in the description box para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And when you already have downloaded, when you already have downloaded everything, you can start. Let's start to open Spark AR Studio. This is the first screen that you will see. Let's create a blank project, and this is how the studio looks like. This is the real-time simulation where you see the progress of your work. You can change it though. Here, there. And if you have your own webcam, just use it if you want it to try on yourself. Okay, let's add object, face tracker, right click the face tracker, add face mesh. This is where we put our materials on. So we need to add a material by clicking this plus sign here, and then click this material, right click rename, because we need to label it smooth. Go to shader type and click retouching. If we slide this up, you will see that my skin is getting smoother. Right? So I want it smooth. I will leave it at 90. And next is we're going to add makeup. Click face tracker, right click, add face mesh again. And same thing, add material, create new material, and let's label it with makeup. Okay. So this is the time where we use the face reference assets. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, here, click help, download face assets. And just click the link here to download it. And since I already have downloaded it, I will just show you. Textures, and here you go. You have your guide. Feminine, masculine, face mesh, and face mesh tracker. This is easier for me, so I'll just use this. Open this with your favorite editor. There. I'll just make this quick since this is not a Photoshop tutorial, but as you can see, I use soft brushes for the blush and lipstick. While for the face tattoo, I use brushes that I downloaded on the internet. And when you're happy with your work, export it to PNG. We go back to Spark AR, and we need to change the shader type to face paint, and then add texture, new texture, and we need to click the one we made earlier. There you go. You can lessen the opacity there. Maybe I'll just leave it at 70. So we have our face tattoo, the blush on, and the lipstick. Next is we are going to add the head decorations. So let's click face tracker again, add, and plane. As you can see, there's a box in front of me right now, just in the middle of my face. So I decided to get an animated butterfly for this one. But in order for me to put everything here, I need to split it to images. So I have to show you how to do it. All we have to do is go to a frame extractor site like this one. Simply upload the file and make sure that the output should be in PNG format. Then you'll see the extracted images. Download the zip file and extract to your desired file location. Let's go back to Spark AR Studio again and click plane, add material, create new material, click material, and let's label it with head. And then we go to shader type. I want it flat. And then let's put texture, new animation sequence, and then we add, where did I save it? Here. We add, there you go. But as you can see, it's in the middle of my face, so we need to move it here. And I want to adjust it. I want to make it bigger. So let's click this one to edit the scale. Oh, sorry. We need to click plane first. There. Let's adjust it. And then click this one to move it upward. And we're done! This is the finished product, and this is the filter. Let's try it to other people. If you want to test it on your cell phones, make sure that you already have installed your Spark AR player, and then you can test it on your device just by clicking this and send. And here it is. I'm trying it now on my phone. I love it. And if you want to upload it on your Facebook or Instagram account, just click the upload right here and click this upload. Since you are already linked to your Facebook account, it will automatically go there. And just fill out everything here. So if you are going to upload it on Facebook, leave it there. If you want to upload it on Instagram, click Instagram, upload it, and submit. Wait for the Facebook to approve your filter. They will notify you, and that's it. And that ends my very first tutorial video. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to help you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe na kayo and hit the bell notification for more video updates. And that's it. Bye. Keep safe, guys. Stay home, okay?